Nothing is preparing to step into new territory with its upcoming Phone 3, a device it proudly calls its first flagship. But let's put that into perspective. It's a flagship in Nothing's own world, not one built to compete with ultra-premium giants like the Galaxy S Ultra, OnePlus 13R, or Asus ROG series. That said, it's still a significant leap forward for the company, aiming to refine its identity rather than fight in the raw performance arena. The most noticeable change? The full glyph LED system is being phased out. In its place, Nothing is introducing a compact glyph matrix mini LED display. It's a small dot matrix style panel, probably around 1 inch by 1 inch, designed for fun and utility. Think notification animations, countdowns, volume levels, camera indicators, maybe even music controls or retro-style games. This isn't revolutionary tech. Asus has done something similar, but it adds a character that separates Nothing's design language from the rest of the pack. Performance-wise, the device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset. While it's not a top-tier processor, it delivers capable mid-high tier performance that fits well with the price point. Devices like the Poco F7 also run on this chip, so we're talking about solid efficiency and reliability, not cutting-edge power. The battery is said to exceed 5,000 mAh and supports 45-watt wired charging alongside wireless charging support, offering the kind of battery life and convenience that most users will appreciate. Moving to the display, Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch panel with a centered punch-hole camera. The design emphasizes symmetry, with slim bezels and a barely there bottom chin, resulting in a modern and polished look. Around the back, the phone houses a triple lens setup, standard wide, ultra wide, and a periscope zoom sensor. It's a familiar formula, functional but not extraordinary. 2 storage configurations will be available. A 12GB B RAM model paired with 256GB B storage is expected to be priced around €799, while a more premium variant with 16GB B RAM and 512GB B storage will likely retail for €899. These figures put the Phone 3 in a competitive mid-premium segment where the experience matters more than specs alone. The real promise of this phone lies in the software. Nothing OS 4.2 is expected to debut with this release, bringing a redesigned user interface that leans heavily on smooth visuals, user customization, and the first steps toward AI-assisted interactions. Carl Pei has confirmed that this launch will mark Nothing's move into AI-powered platforms, hinting at a larger ecosystem shift starting with this device. Set to launch later in 2025, the Nothing Phone 3 is priced from approximately £800. While it won't top benchmark charts or win spec wars, it's aiming for something else. Refined software, clean design, and just enough uniqueness to keep the brand relevant in a crowded market.